Excellence, Faustin Archange Touadera, President of the Central African Republic, senior officials from both our countries, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you. I am pleased to welcome you back to Kigali, but this time for a state visit. We hope you and your delegation feel at home. We have fond memories of our visit to Bangui in 2019 and the very warm welcome and hospitality we received. Rwanda and Central African Republic have both experienced difficult histories, but we are brought together by our commitment to national unity and to the dignity of our people. For both our countries, the road ahead is still long, but we share a desire to move beyond the past. You can count on Rwanda's solidarity, and we will count on yours as we work together for the transformation of our countries, our region, and Africa in general. For this evening, let us enjoy each other's company. May I now ask you all to rise, find a glass, and join me in a toast: the good health to the good health of His Excellency Faustin Archange Touadera, the friendship between the Central African Republic and Rwanda, and the prosperity of our continent. Merci beaucoup. Bonne soirée.